What do you hear?
The ocean.
Let Caroline hear the ocean.
You never know how far it goes. Listen to the ocean, baby.
Does it smell like the ocean?
Say hello, ocean. That's an ocean telephone.
Charlie, does it smell like the ocean?
Is that the ocean telephone? Charlie, call the baby sharks. Call the baby sharks on your ocean telephone.
Listen to the ocean. Wow.
Who are you calling? Who are you calling on your ocean telephone?
You done?
You gonna call mama?
Oh, that's your ocean phone? She's gonna smuggle it out in her dress.
There's a crab.
Oh, she was there when I found that contract.
Can you hear it?
You want to trade phones? All right, now trade phones. You try that one.
Good sharing.
How's?
Can you hear the ocean?
What happened?
This is a ship.
Hello. Can you
Yeah.
hear the
Can you hear the
I
ocean?
want a jelly special. 2 pizzas.
2 jellyfish pizzas.
Jellyfish pizza. That's good.
We don't get jellyfish pizzas, Grandpa.
I want 2 shark fillets.
Yum.
Okay, Papa, choose a steak.
Can you hear the ocean, baby? She's like,
There you go.
Put them back on the
What's your favorite dessert?
Banana split.
A banana split. Why is it your favorite?
Because I love all the day.
What comes on a banana split?
It's been great.
Scary.
A cherry. What else?
Sprinkles.
Ooh.
Yum.
What else?
Banana.
And bananas. And what is on the bottom?
She doesn't make it that far.
Bananas, sprinkle, and a cherry, and
Ice cream.
That's my part, though.
Caroline, what did you get for dessert?
Ice cream.
You got ice cream? Yummy. Do you like ice cream?
Okay,
What? Look at Daddy.
Who is that?
Mr. Nectarhead.
Are you gonna do it?
What's that?
The mama there.
Where's your napkin?
Where's your napkin? Okay, put your glasses on.
Put your glasses on.
Have y'all seen that movie?
Yeah. Let me see you, napkin head.
That's creepy. Mr. Napkin Head.
You're a good napkin head.
Let Daddy do it.
Daddy's turn.
Daddy's turn.
Say, do it, Daddy.
She wants to see Daddy.
Will you take a picture later? Promise, pinky swear.
Pinky swear.
With the
you
fancy
swear.
smile.
You gotta wrap your pinky around mine.
Like this.
Pinky swear, you're gonna take a photo outside, okay? Okay.
You have a bigger smile than Caroline. Yeah, tuck that mouth in. Wow, you look
Hey,
like...
do it right.
Like a little Ace Ventura
It was
movement.
going straight.
Well, I'm gonna say yours look like that too.
Where's Charlie finger? Show me the Charlie finger. Sing it. like something about fresh
Where's Jolly Finger?
Turn it around like
Don't
this.
blink that at me.
Look. Turn it around so he can see. Yeah.
That's for Grandpa.
dancing now. Oh yeah. Lindsay's our best dancer. Lindsay's the best dancer. You two are doing some weird karate chop dancing.
No, we're gonna go home and do that.
I can't clap.
Go Lindsay! Go Lindsay! Good job, Lindsay! That's you! Cuban shuffle, Lindsay, do it! Do it. No. Go, Lindsay! Go. Let the Russell.
Last one, Lindsay.
Lindsay killed it! Lindsay, are you tired? Are you tired, Lindsay? Are you good, Lindsay?
Good job.
Okay, bye, Lindsay. Just a little timestamp.
121.
Lindsay will have enough with the videos. I don't think she needs the pig.
No, she will.
Caroline might be devastated if the pig doesn't come back.
With a
I
couple,
said, I don't think.
with
I
a
don't-
couple of pizza
I
stands.
don't think Caroline will know if it's not there.
She won't, but you know, she was very excited.
Yeah, she was when she got this. Her and Charlie, they didn't know. Yeah.
Yay!
She needs a drink. Get her a drink. Get her a drink.
I'm still working.
Are you working still?
Nice shift.
Right now we have to clean the machines and all. Coffee.
Where are you from?
Me, India.
India.
Friend of mine, we all are from
You
India.
married?
We know not yet. Not yet. I'm still working hard.
Oh, we got one for you. It's a towel pig.
He's from a different table.
He was annexed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One day.
One day.
I will be a part of this family.
Okay.
It's a little scary.
You still working?
I'm just gonna take
Yeah.
my pig for now.
Wow.
Nice
I'm gonna take my
shift.
pig.
All right. That's good. The kids are sleeping.
Yes.
Hopefully.
Grandparents. We
Hopefully.
hope.
Assuming.
Probably not.
Charlie is the boss.
She is the boss.
And,
Yes. Caroline.
Caroline, she's an angel. It's almost like me and my sister.
Oh, really?
Because I'm the older one, so I was always the bossy one. Because it's actually because when you are the first one, you tend to know things more.
Oh, yeah.
My sister, and her name is Angela, and she's like an angel.
angel.
And
Yeah.
then me, always like bossy kind. Actually, I have 5 siblings, so I'm the older one. Then my sister, then I have 3 brothers. So I was always a bossy one.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it
Me
comes
too.
with-
She's older. That's
I've
the
got
younger,
two
yeah. That's my
brothers
sister.
and 2
Boss.
sisters, all younger.
Boss.
Yeah, because,
Yeah.
I mean, you have to take care of everybody, right?
That's
So,
right.
Caroline will end up being just like Charlie.
Boss.
Yeah.
Charlie will
And
lead
I
her the
get back
wrong
to
way.
work, okay? You guys enjoy.
Yes, thank you so much. I put Bruno Mars, Just the Way You Are, Clifton.
And they played a song, and it was Just the Way You Are, which is their wedding song. And like a song where
That's our song.
Yeah, that's the
That was
first time
our
we
song.
met you.
That was our song before it was y'all's wedding song. Probably at the same time.
Liar.
We picked
No.
our wedding song like months before.
No, I'm just saying that was our song, and then it was y'all's wedding song.
That's
It just
so-
so happened. Isn't that crazy?
That's perfect.
Yeah, no.
Now you need to
But
hurry
not
up
my
and get a
fault.
ring. Yeah, what the hell?
Whoa.
Oh yeah, let's calm down. No, she's a size 4 wedding ring. She wants a flat oval, and I'm getting that right as we get back.
Oh, it's on camera now.
So hey, we're all gonna have a good summer, right?
See,
All right, we're gonna have a good
Is it a
summer.
race? Is it a race to see who proposes first?
I don't think you're gonna
Oh.
Are you planning
We're coming up. We're coming up on
beat me. No,
4 years.
he already told me he's looking for someone else. His girlfriend doesn't come out and party.
We're coming up on
That's
4
why
years.
she's been replaced with a pig, Lindsay.
4 is a good deadline.
Lindsay, you're replaced with an albino pig. It's a man. It's a
One more day of this.
This
One
pig
more
is
day.
a man. Do you want to take him home?